So the first thing you got to do in any project is gather supplies. So I'm here at the Home Depot in Yuma and rented a U-Haul truck to get down here. And now I've picked up a bunch of construction adhesive, some silicone, some wood glue, and now I've got to find all the screws that we need. And then we'll get into lumber. Don't be afraid to look through the pile. I mean, this one looks nice until you flip it over. Nobody wants that in their project. So I went through a third of the pile, got the dozen of the 2x3s I need. Now I got to go through 2x2s. So 2x2s, I need them to be relatively straight. So you look at them two ways, and this one gets rejected. Minor blemishes like this, I don't worry about. This is going up in the ceiling and nobody's going to see it once I get it up there. We'll put the blemish side over here. So now I'm hunting for Luan, the underlayment, and I also need to find different plywoods I need, and I don't see Luan. This is always fun because the first shopping trip of the build is done, and in case you were wondering what $1,000 worth of wood, adhesive, and screws looks like, this is what it looks like. And then add in the rental of the truck. But hey, glad we didn't drive the bus down here. Well, that's the next day. I didn't get back till after dark. And now we get the fun taking all this back, all this out and organizing it. So this ought to be fun.